How to transfer GCredit to GCash wallet. Hey everybody, if you're also wondering on how to do it, let's just dive right into the video and find out. So for that, you can open up your GCash application first, and once you are there, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So from here, you can head over to this view all section, and this menu appears on your screen. So from here, you need to scroll down and look for this option that is manage. So scroll until you reach out to manage. From manage, you need to select this option that is Para outlet. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped on it, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So here you should also be finding the available balance. Right below it, you should be finding a plus icon. You need to go ahead and tap on this. Once that is done, you will be finding, you can select the amount that you want to cash in. So go ahead and do that. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and pay and transfer your GCredit to GCash wallet. So that is it for now. That is how you transfer GCredit to GCash wallet. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.